true form, sustainable health, natural body. How many calories do you need? Easy and accurate. Okay, so we know calories matter, but how many do you actually need? In this quick guide, I'll show you an easy and accurate way to find your daily calorie target, and even give you a shortcut if you hate math. Most people just guess. Maybe 1,200 calories to lose weight. Maybe 3,000 for bulking. Guessing often leads to frustration and failure. So, let's calculate your number based on science. Let's figure out how to calculate your calorie needs. One of the best ways is to start with how many calories you burn in a day. That's called your TDEE, Total Daily Energy Expenditure. And the good news is, it's actually pretty easy to estimate. 1. What is your TDEE? Your TDEE is how many calories you burn in a day. It includes your basic metabolism plus your activity. If you eat at this number, you maintain your weight. 2. Quick estimate your TDEE. Here's an easy way to estimate your TDEE. Step 1. Body weight in kilograms times 22 equals your basic burn. Step 2. Multiply that by your activity level. If you are sedentary, multiply by 1.2. If you are lightly active, multiply by 1.4. If you are moderately active, multiply by 1.6. If you are very active, multiply by 1.8. Example, 70 kilograms, moderately active. 70 times 22 times 1.6 equals 2,464 kilocalories per day. This is your TDEE, the number of calories you burn in a day. Now let's use this number as a baseline to adjust your calorie intake based on your goal. 3. Adjust. Based on your goal. Now, adjust your calorie intake based on your goal. For fat loss, eat about 80 to 90% of your TDEE. For muscle gain, eat about 110 to 120% of your TDEE. This slower, steady approach is easier to stick with and prevents rebound. 4. Hate math? Shortcut. And if you're thinking, this sounds like too much math, here's a shortcut. For fat loss, eat about 500 calories less than your TDEE. For muscle gain, eat 300 to 500 calories more than your TDEE. It's not perfect, but it works for most beginners. Use tools. You can also use apps like MyFitnessPal, Chronometer. They can calculate your TDEE for you. But now that you understand the formula, you can tweak it with confidence. Now you know how many calories you need. In the next video, we'll look at how to eat more vegetables and why it matters more than ever. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and start building a healthy, sustainable body with us.